Listen up, chuckleheads. It's me, Kinghuman. And I'm really going to try and help you out here and get you guys self-empowered, making money for yourself. It's not hard. It's really easy. I mean, those of you that know my story know I used to be a truck driver, and I found a business called affiliate marketing, changed my life. I want you to think about becoming an affiliate marketer, because here's what, let me set this down. Here's what's doing. For example, in 1 minute, I'm going to show you what happened to me the other day. I made 3 social media posts, maybe 2, I don't remember. The whole thing might have taken me an hour. I don't know. And I made over $2 grand. Now that may not seem like a lot of money to you, but, and it's certainly not a lot of money to me. But here's the thing, that's $2,000 in an hour. Now here's what I want to do. In 1 minute, I'm going to show you guys exact proof of what I did. I'm going to show you what's doing, and hopefully I'm going to hand you a setup so that it's a done for you situation so that you can do what I have done. So watch this video to the end and check it out. There might be a few surprises. Okay, booyakasha! Okay, here's what's doing. I'm going to scroll through this and I'm going to show you. Again, this is my account. All of these payments came to me, and as you can see, there's a lot of $5 payments. There's even some $2 payments, and then there's quite a few of these $100 payments. So I'll keep scrolling, and you can see what's doing here. Here's back-to-back $100 payments. This goes on, and this is recurring income, meaning I'm getting this on autopilot every month. I don't have to repeat any work. I do the work once and this money comes in. That's how cool this is. Now, I'm going to get to the bottom of this page eventually, and you're going to see a total here. Here it is, $2,021 total. Now, what did I do to make that? What did it take for me to accomplish this? Was it difficult? Was it something that you could not possibly do? Was it something that only I can accomplish? No. What I did was I made, I don't know, 2, maybe 3 social media posts telling people about this particular item, this particular product, this particular platform. And I said, look, if you're interested, go check it out. Or if you're interested, contact me and I will give you more information about this. And I made $2,021. I'm guessing if I would have put in an hour into this, let's say I put in an hour. I don't know if I did, maybe a lot less, maybe it's a little more, I don't know, I didn't clock myself. But the thing is, I made $2,000 in about an hour making a couple of social media posts. Now this is the kind of thing I can do on demand. Why? Because I know what this business is. Now, the thing I want to stress upon you here is, this isn't rocket surgery. This is the kind of thing that you can do too, if you just pursue things. Now, here's another thing I want to impress upon you. This is $2,000 that I made in an hour, whatever it was. This is a very, very small campaign for me at this point. And I want you to think about if this is a small campaign for me, and I do something like this 10 times a month, do the math on that. If I do something like this 20 times a month, do the math on that. How much am I making a month? Now, remember, this is a small campaign for me. So what am I talking about here? I'm not trying to sell you on this platform. I'm not trying to tell you, hey, you need to go sign up to this thing. What I'm talking about is a business that you can get into. It's called affiliate marketing. It changed my life. I went from being a stupid truck driver to making money on demand with very little work, very little effort. I can do it poolside. I can do it from the beach. I can do it basically from anywhere. This is golden. Now, let me go back to my happy, fun time, smiling face. Okay, I hope that was informative, but I'm not done yet. Pay attention. And welcome to my private jet. Okay, here's what's doing. Listen, if you want to duplicate what I have done, and more importantly, if you want to get into affiliate marketing like I have done, it changed my life. I recommend it as a business for you. If this sounds good to you, if this business model sounds good to you, where you can just make some posts on social media, send out a few emails maybe once in a while, and make the kind of money that I showed you, if that sounds good to you, go out. Look into affiliate marketing. You don't have to learn it from me. But here's what I want you to do. After you're done looking at all the idiots out there that are selling their courses, first of all, they're not doing what they say they're doing. They're making their money by selling courses. They're not making their money by doing what they're doing. And you'll go out and you'll find a bunch of courses out there for $50 up to $500. I've seen some up to $2,000. And you go out there and look at those, right? Then after you're done doing that, come to my website, thekinghumanelite.com. It's $15. And what you're going to get for your $15 is what I call a peek behind the curtain. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to give you the setups, especially, well, here's what's doing. I every month I put on my website what I call the money pages. And in the money pages, there's always a bunch of courses on how you can do certain things. Affiliate marketing can be very easy, or it can be a very comprehensive thing to learn, depending on how you want to get into it. I give everybody a bunch of different material, and I let them make their own choice on the path that they want to take. But this particular thing that I just showed you is so easy. As I said in that video when I was showing you all my income figures for that one tiny little campaign, when I showed you those income figures, I did, I think, maybe 3 social media posts that consisted of a little bit of text that said, hey, this is a benefit number 1, benefit number 2, benefit number 3, benefit number 4. Interested? Contact me and I will give you more information on this. That's what I did. So in this upcoming month's money pages on my website, thekinghumanelite.com, we're getting into the more advanced techniques. And in fact, I'm going to give you a done-for-you setup for this product that I showed you. So I've made a video for you. I'm giving it to my members this coming month, this July. I'm giving you a marketing video, and I'm giving you a setup done for you. So all you have to do is post it on social media. Boom, 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 boom. I show you all the steps. It's very simple. And hopefully you can duplicate what I have done. It's not rocket surgery, especially when you have someone like me showing you the peek behind the curtain and giving you what you need to duplicate what I have done. Now, you'll find, like I say, you'll find a lot of other courses out there on the internet, people teaching affiliate marketing, but here's what they're not going to teach you. They're not going to give you the real peek behind the curtain. They don't care about your success. They care about selling their program. And the reason you know that is because their programs are priced at $50, $500, $2,000, whatever the hell it is. I'm not in it for the money. I'm teaching you because I want you to escape the matrix like I have done. So yeah, I charge $15. Ooh, $15. Too much for you? Get out of my life. If you're not willing to invest $15 in your future and making the kind of money, possibly, I have to qualify this always, and possibly making the kind of money that I do, then I can't help you. Go away. Go find somebody else that'll make you all kinds of promises and tell you that you can do something even when they don't know you personally. They'll tell you, oh, you can do this. They don't know you from a can of paint. They don't know what your capabilities are. That's why I never promise anything. The best I can do, my promise is to give you the real peek behind the curtain, give you setups, give you education, give you training. The rest is up to you. Seriously. I mean, maybe you're too stupid to turn on a computer. I don't know. So there it is. KingHumanElite.com. Do it, don't do it. It's up to you. It's your life. But if you want a fabulous private jet like I have here, woo, then then you got to listen up and follow through, and don't be a slacker. It's not hard. It's not rocket surgery. You can do this, become a member, and stick with it. All right, go away. You bother me. I'm annoyed.